Kilogram m cure minus s minus 3 to the power 3 are base units of. Correct answer is C, power. Which of the following sets of physical quantities x, y, and z contain one vector and two scalar quantities? Correct answer is C, 3. Scientists recommend that the low power be used for school laboratory optimal optical experiments. Their reason could be that correct answer for 3 is C. It produces a beam of light of a single frequency. That is a monochromatic beam. Figure 1 shows how three identical resistors X, Y, and Z may be connected in an electrical circuit. When the switch K is closed, the current through the battery E is 4.5. The reading of the ammeter of negligible resistance will be. Correct answer is A, 3A. Light of wavelength 590 is incident normally on the grating of per meter. The number of possible fraction maxima contained is. Correct answer is D, 2. Which of the following wave type level A to D correctly matches its method of detection? Correct answer is B. A body can be accelerated while moving at a constant speed. Two ball bearings X and Y are dropped vertically from a height of 1 kilogram above the earth's surface. They are initially at rest. The mass of the Y is half that of X, neglecting air resistance. Which correct? Correct answer is D. The time taken by X and Y to reach the ground will be the same. Suppose a light spring loaded with a mass of 50 times 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram and it extends by 10 times 10 to the power minus 2. The force per unit displacement K and the period of oscillation are respectively. Correct answer for 9 is A. 10. Figure 2 shows three resistors connected in a circuit. When the switch is closed, the PD across the 30 resistor will be. Correct answer for 10 is B, which is 3.6. In an experiment to determine the velocity of sound in air, a vibrating tuning fork of an unknown frequency is struck and held on over the end of an open tube at the shortest length, which gives a loud sound, is 15. Assuming that the speed of sound in air at room temperature is 130, the possible frequency of tuning fork, correct answer for 11 is C. A snooker ball X moving with an initial velocity makes an elastic head-on collision with an identical stationary ball. Which of the sets of the velocity below correctly gives the velocities of X and Y after the collision? Correct answer for 12 is D. Figure 3 shows two long straight wires X and Y placed parallel to each other, a distance of 1 apart, carrying currents of 4A and 2 in the same direction. Which of the following gives the correct value of the B field due to the wires at the point midway between the waves? Correct answer for 13 is B. A price of wire of Young's modulus, a diameter of is suspended from a fixed point and a weight of 50 N attached to its end. What if the elastic limit of the material is non-existing? Then the material will extend by. Correct answer for 14 is C. 16. The Earth exerts a force of 9.8 on a 1 kilogram mass at the surface of radius. Suppose 1 kilogram mass is moved to a point at a high terrain. The Earth's radius above the Earth's surface, then the force on the kilogram mass becomes. Correct answer for 16 is D. Figure 5 shows the point charges of magnitudes and located at points B and P and Q along the straight line ST. Correct answer for 17 is D. A sample of gas has a volume 1.5 at a pressure of 3.0 times 10 to the power 5. Its new volume, when the pressure is reduced by half at constant temperature, will be. Correct answer for 18 is C. A resistivities of copper and aluminum are 17, 1.7 times 10 to the power minus 80, respectively. What will be the diameter of a copper wire which will have the same resistance of equal length as that of the aluminum wire of diameter 1.5 millimeter. Correct answer for 19 is B. Which of the following materials have a positive temperature coefficient of resistance? Correct answer for 20 is B. A Toshiba TV set is rated at 1,500. How much is the cost of watching a football match which lasted for 1.5 hours on this set if a unit of electoral by AIS Sonet is 60 francs? Correct answer for 21 is D. D is the correct answer, 135 francs. One of the biggest advantages of a fusion as a source of energy is that fusion is an environmental and friendly source of energy. This means that correct answer for 22 is C. Waste products from fusion do not result in chain mutation. Which of the following sets of statements is true of alpha, gamma, and beta particles? Correct answer for 23 is C. When an electron in an atom makes a transition from an energy level at minus 1.5 to an energy level at minus 3.5, electromagnetic radiation occurs. If Planck constant and then the type of electromagnetic radiation emitter is, correct answer for 24 is D. A radioactive decay series begins with involves emission tons of the following: 2 alpha particles and 2 beta particles. The final product is likely to be, correct answer for 25 is A. 26. Figure 6 number 5 shows a weight which hangs vertically from a string XYZ by a thread tied to the string at Y. The section XY is horizontal and section is vertical. The section part will be, correct answer for 26 is B. Which of the following statements about the potential energy and the force for two molecules is not true? Correct answer for 27 is C. Figure 6 shows waves traveling from podium X to podium 0. I rebuke that thought. If the velocity of wave in medium X is 2.0 times 10 to the power minus 1, then the velocity of the wave in medium P will be, correct answer for 28 is D. Figure 6 shows waves traveling, okay, D. 29. Figure 7 shows how may be connected to the circuit of a serial battery of 6V. Which of the following statements is true for when K is closed? Correct answer for 29 is C. A metal has a resistance of 75 and gives a full-scale reflection of a current of 1. In order to adapt this metal to read a current of AI, it is necessary to connect. Correct answer for 30 is A. An cylinder contains 12 liters of oxygen at 20 degrees Celsius and 15 atmospheric atmosphere. The temperature is raised to 35 degrees Celsius and the volume is reduced to 8.5. The final pressure of the gas in atmosphere is 31. The answer is, which of the following contains the bipolar transistor is true? Correct answer for 32 is A. When a parallel beam of light is incident at the brightest angle in air on the surface of the glass block, some of the light is reflected and some refracted. Which of the following statement about this range is true? Correct answer for 33 is B. Which of the following statement is true for Young's double slit experiment? Correct answer for 34 is C, which is reducing the slit width by half only will double the fringe separation. From figure 8 shows C wire with one and fixed at the point P while the other end is passed over the cure and attached to the escape pan carrying weight of the following statement is true of the speed offspring waves in the section P cure. Correct answer for 35 is C. So from here they says for each group questions below, one or two of the responses given is true or are correct. Then choose. I'm going to just give you the answer of this one. So you can read it after by yourself or watch the video as you're watching and see what it's all about. Correct answer for 36 is D. Correct answer for 37 is A. Correct answer for 38 is C. Correct answer for 39 is A. Correct answer for 40 is D. Correct answer for 41 is B. Correct answer for 42 is A. Correct answer for 43 is A. Correct answer for 44 is A. Correct answer for 45 is C. Correct answer for 46 is C. Correct answer for 47 is B. Correct answer for 49 is D. Correct answer for 50 is D. And correct answer for 48 is B. Correct answer for 49 is D. And correct answer for 50 is D. So that is it about GC Advanced Level Revisions 2015.